everyone, I'm Minha Nazar and welcome back to my channel Shadowsmug, a complete art channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I drew this beautiful eyes using both charcoal and graphite pencils. I'll be narrating the entire process throughout the video, so don't skip the video and without wasting much time, let's get started. Once my outline is ready, I like to begin with the eyebrows. So I'm using a charcoal pencil and blocking all the darker values. Once I'm satisfied, I'm using a brush and gently blending it. I'm also using a tombo mono eraser and a white gel pen of 0.5 thickness for adding some extra details and adding some fine hairs in the eyebrows. Once I'm satisfied with the eyebrows, I'm moving into the eyes. Again, I'm using a charcoal pencil to block all the darker values and I'm using a blending stem to blend it really well. I'm also using an eraser to highlight some particular areas and I'm also using a brush to blend it really well. I also use an outline pen of a 0.05 thickness for adding some minute details to it. And for highlighting some particular areas, again I'm using the tombo mono eraser and the white gel pen. And for blending the shades, I always use makeup brushes instead of a normal painting brush. I love to keep some charcoal and graphite powders near me before starting any work because I'll be using them more frequently in my works. Using these powders, I create the base layer of the skin, and so basically I don't want any 2B or 4B pencils in my drawing and I find it really time saving. And if you see in this drawing during the entire process, I'm using the brush and out of nowhere you can see some shades coming from it. That is because I have dipped it in the charcoal powder before applying it to my sheet. Thing is, you should be comfortable in using these brushes and you should have a nice control over them because you don't have to apply so much of pressure into your drawing sheet and that will ruin the whole thing. So once I have a base layer, I then go back to my pencils. So this is how my eyes turned out. I'm really happy with it, and yeah, let's move to the next half. Starting with the eyebrows, I'm blocking all the darker values using a charcoal pencil and I am blending them using a brush, and yeah, I'm using all the steps that I did earlier. Once the base layer is ready and when I'm completely satisfied with it, I move to my pencils. I use 4B and 6B pencils and sometimes even 8B for some darker values, and I use a blending stem and a tissue paper to blend them really well, and to highlight the portions I use a tombo mono eraser or a white gel pen. If you are new to my channel, I would like to inform you that I post videos on charcoal and graphite portrait works, acrylic paintings, watercolors, calligraphy and much more. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a video. enjoyed the video and hope you learned something useful from it. Thank you so much for watching and I'm so grateful to you. And if you like my videos, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to share it with your friends too. That's all for today. See you soon in the next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, have a nice day.